How to delete Facebook conversations from both the sides. If any day any of you are a Facebook and a Messenger user and you would like to delete your Facebook conversations from both the sides, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Messenger application on your very mobile device. You can tap on the Messenger application, or you can search on your very mobile device the Messenger application and tap on it in order to launch it. Otherwise, you can manually search the Messenger application by scrolling left or right until you find the very Messenger application on your mobile device and tap on the Messenger application. After you tap on the very Messenger application, you can see that the Messenger application will be launched on your very mobile device. Now, in order to delete or in order to mention the very devices or in order to mention the messages out there, what you have to do is you have to tap on the very person whose message you would like to delete. After you tap on the very person there, now you can go to the very option, that is, you have to tap on the very message that you would like to permanently delete. After you tap on that, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of more. After you tap on the option of more, you can see the option of remove. You have to tap on remove. Now you can see the option of remove for you. If you tap on the option of remove for you only, it will only be removed for you. But if you would like to remove the message for all of those, what you can do is you can tap on the message, you can then go to the option of remove, and you have to then go to the option of remove for everyone and tap on the option for remove to everyone. And after you tap on the option of remove to everyone, your very message will be removed for everyone. Sometimes you may not find the very option of remove to everyone because that may be when your very application is not updated on time. Therefore, you have to update your very application by going on the very option of the Play Store and update it, and this way your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.